Hold up. Before you drop $20 a month on Google Veo 3, I need to show you something that's going to blow your mind. I just discovered a completely free alternative AI tool that creates unlimited AI videos without any sign-up, no credit card, and honestly, the results are insane. In the next few minutes, I'm going to save you hundreds of dollars while showing you how to create professional AI videos that rival Veo 3's price. Look, Google Veo 3 is incredible, but let's be real. Even at $20 a month, you're still limited by credits and usage restrictions. And that's just the basic plan. I've been testing AI video generators for months on this channel, and my video about creating unlimited AI videos for free has already helped over 30,000 people in just the last month alone. Today, I'm taking it one step further with something even better. The tool I'm about to show you is absolutely game-changing. First, it's completely free. No hidden costs, no premium tiers, nothing. Second, it's truly unlimited. You can generate as many videos as you want. Third, and this is the kicker, no registration required. You literally just go to the website and start creating. Let me show you exactly how this works. The tool is called Vheer. Simply search for vheer.com in your browser. No sign-up required. The interface is actually clean. Everything is straightforward. You paste your prompt, select your settings, and hit generate. No complicated menus, no confusing pricing tiers, just pure functionality. Here's what blew my mind. It's a completely free online image and video generator. With this tool, you can generate images from text for free 100% and unlimited, transform an original image into a new style, remove or change background. When you click on Explore All Tools, you will find a full library here, and this is where it gets crazy. Most importantly, generating videos from an image. You can also generate AI headshots, saving you from going for expensive photo shoots. All the tools are here to edit your images on the go. You can also compress your files totally for free while maintain the quality. If you try to download this video, you will see that it's just a few MBs, but with quality up to 4K. This is the secret tool behind that. But wait, there's more. You can also generate trending miniature worlds and action figures dominating the social media. This tool is a full creative suite at hand. Let's dive right in. We'll start with AI text to image. Here are the steps. First, upload your image. Choose the scale, hit generate, and your image will be ready to generate. In case you don't know where to start from, you can click on the idea button and get sample prompts. But I am going to provide a simple image prompt here. A professional businessman walking through a modern office, cinematic lighting, 4K quality. Then choose the mode. Fast mode takes less time to generate an image. Quality mode may take a bit longer, but the image is high quality. To save time, I'll choose fast mode, then select the aspect ratio. Now all is good. Let me hit generate. Look at this result. The lighting is cinematic and the detail is incredible. Remember to keep saving your images. Since no sign-in required, your creations won't be saved. Here's what's amazing. This tool doesn't lock you with one style. You can generate images in any style. For example, I am typing a girl caressing a puppy in a flower garden. Then add Ghibli style. I will hit generate, and in a few seconds, our Ghibli image is ready. Look at this. Forget many hours of waiting for ChatGPT to generate such a single image. Now, this is where it gets really exciting. Under text to image, you can generate trending AI action figures. Simply choose your style. Here, you can customize the output, character type, gear description, pose description and accessories, but we'll leave them by default for now. For aspect ratio, I will select 9:16 perfect for shorts and Instagram reels. Then hit generate. Look at this. No fluff. Forget complex steps of crafting a complex prompt with ChatGPT. Use another image generate, and then animating with Kling at a cost. You can now bring this action figure to life using the image to video option. And here's another viral trend you can tap into. Under the same tool, let us also create miniature worlds. With this tool, you can automate an entire YouTube channel with less effort and no cost. For the style, I will choose Fruit Architecture. For the prompt, simply replace with the fruit you want to generate, say apple. For the aspect ratio, I will generate a vertical image. Look at this. With such creations, you can jump in the trend. Now, here's how you save hundreds on photoshoots. With image to image, you can generate realistic AI headshots. Just upload your casual image, but make sure it's a close-up and facing into the camera. Select the style, say, luxury fashion. Customize the settings to match your output. For the aspect ratio, choose Square Perfect for headshots and hit Generate. What's amazing is that it maintains the same character. In this way, you save money going for photo shoots and have a professional image to put on social media profiles. If this is already saving you money and helping your content creation, smash that like button right now. It helps more creators discover these free alternatives, and honestly, it helps me continue finding and testing these tools for you. We're just getting started with the best features. Now, here comes the interesting part. Generating videos. Click on Image to Video, and then proceed. I'll simply upload one of the images we generated earlier. Interestingly, this tool interprets and provides the image prompt here. You can also add a video prompt or leave it blank to test how the AI understands our task. But for better results, I'll add a simple prompt to guide the AI. The girl caresses the puppy's eyes follow the girl's hand. Adjust the video settings and hit Generate. Whoa! These kinds of animations get a lot of traction on the internet, and you have full potential with this tool. When you click here, you'll find a bunch of AI tools to take your creativity to another level. The link to Vheer AI is in the description below. If you want more free AI tools and tutorials like this, subscribe and hit that notification bell, because I'm constantly discovering new tools that can save you money and boost your creativity. Drop a comment below and let me know what type of videos you're planning to create with this tool. I read every single comment and often feature the best ones in future videos. Share this video with anyone who's been paying for expensive AI video tools. They'll thank you later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one where I'm revealing another AI tool that's completely a game changer.